Okay, so now it's on to the lights. I don't like these lights. I want to do it a bit cooler, I think. So I ordered 2 of these. Put on one on each. I think that would be cool. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, so let's see if I'm lucky here. Do fit, but a bit longer in. So they come like this. Would be cool. Okay, so I'll put it there. Right, that's okay. Okay, I need to drill some new holes. Get right back. All right, yeah. Now we're back, and I need to put this back on. Oh yeah, bit more adjustment, and this will be nice, nicer than it was. Looks kind of surprised, but yeah, why not?